Question that I get asked a lot is, how do I hold my sand scoop while I'm on the beach? It's right here. It's just a loop. Here's my belt. It's just the rigger's belt from the military. It's an Allen shotgun shell pouch. And here's the loop. All it is a nylon loop tied together with a square knot. While I'm wearing it, it's directly behind the pouch. And the handle goes there, and it just dangles just like that from the belt. I hope that helps. Good luck, happy hunting. Shing! Jay here, I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Alright, I have a solid 94. It's gotta be a can. I don't think I've ever seen anything 94. At least a solid one. Let's find out what it is. Is that a bottle? It's gotta be a bottle cap. It's rusty. I've never seen a soft. Oh, it's not a bottle cap. It's a washer. Into the pouch. I have a dime signal, dime quarter signal. All right, got a jumpy signal. Let's get it. Five inches this way, 4.5 right here. Calling it a quarter, I like that. It's weird. Shake, shake, shake. One crusty quarter into the pouch. Brown on that side, green on this side. And I have a penny signal, penny quarter signal. It's a super jumpy signal. Let's get it. 6 inches. 4.5 inches right here. It's calling it a penny. All right, shake, shake, shake. Man, that's a lot. I dropped it. All right, one green penny into the pouch. I have a jumpy signal. Goes from penny to quarter. Let's get it. 4.5 inches. 4 inches right here. roll by. There it is. Is that a penny or a dime? It's a dime. Into the pouch. A penny signal. Let's get it. That is a big penny signal. And it's got a wobble to it. Can bottom maybe? 2 inches right here. I'm hoping it's a spill. The wobble's gone, so that's good. Shake, shake, shake. Here's one penny. It is bubbled up and corroding, so into the pouch. Surface fine. I like it when it's windy like this. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a nickel signal, solid 25. Let's get this pull tab. 2.5 inches. 1 inch. Just off. Shake, shake, shake. Definitely a pull tab. I don't hear it. There it is. Into the pouch. I have a nickel signal. $23 to $26. Could be a nickel or it could be a pull tab. Let's get it. 4 inches. 4.5 inches. 4 inches. Seemed kind of big for a nickel or even a pull tab. Might be Cancel. Oh, I hit it. And there it is. And it is a nickel. Corroded one. So, into the pouch. Have a foil signal. It's very low. 020700. Let's get it. Real small, it's gotta be. It's saying it's 9 inches. 5 inches, alright. I'm guessing it's gonna be some chewing gum wrapper. Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Yep. Chewing gum wrapper. Into the pouch. Camera turned off on its own. Alright, it's still in there. I'm thinking that it's definitely not a coin. saying it's a quarter. Glad when I'm wrong and it's a quarter. So realized that it was starting to get misty. Alright, here's our green quarter. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a quarter signal, 81 to 84. Let's get it. 1 inch. And should be right here, just under the surface. Solid 83. Oh, I hit it. There it is. One more quarter into the pouch. Way penny signal. That's weird. Let's get it. 2.5 inches. 2 inches right here. Is that it? Sticking to the wall? It is. Alright, one crusty penny. Into the pouch. I think it's a penny. Oh, it's a dime. Into the pouch. Awesome. I have a dime quarter signal. Well, stabilized on dime. Let's get it. 3 inches. 1.5 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Pennies. Alright, it is a dime. Into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap up. I had another great day at the beach. I found 3 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, 3 pennies, a washer, a big washer, some foil, and a couple pull tabs. It was cool out. It was very windy. I didn't realize that it was misting out until it was too late, and I should have wiped off the camera lens. I'll try to pay more attention to that next time. But if you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.